Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to wire transfer money on Bank of America. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the page. Click on Pay and Transfer. Under Pay and Transfer, you will see an option for Wire/ACH. Click on Wire/ACH. Now, select the From and to Accounts. Or if you haven't added yet, click on Add Account/Recipient. Next, select the delivery speed. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then select the frequency. You could also add a description, but it's optional. After entering all the required information, click on Continue Transfer. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Make Transfer. That's how you wire transfer money on Bank of America. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.